welcome to the Tasty Pineapple channel. My name is Felix, the food guy. They call me the food guy because I like food. And alright, today we're going to show you how to make Spam Musubi. Very basic dish, very good any time of the day. Alright, here are the ingredients. Okay, the main star in this dish is the spam, slice of spam, about a 1/4 inch thick, and then your seaweed wrap, nori, soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, a little bit of garlic and ginger, toasted sesame seed, and of course the musubi maker, chopsticks, and a bowl. And there you go, folks. Very simple dish to make. That's all you need. And of course, we didn't forget this. Our co-star of the day, sushi rice. Yes. Any sticky rice, Hinode brand, cow rolls will do. Stay away from the jasmine, brown rice. Any kind of sushi rice will work. Alright, now we're going to mix the teriyaki sauce in a bowl. Pour the soy sauce in. Okay, the rice wine or mirin, whichever you have in your household. Okay, and sugar. And we're going to mix it up. It's easier to mix the ingredients in a bowl so it doesn't get really messy. So this is just a technique that I prefer doing. Alright, it looks pretty mixed. Alright, right now we're gonna saute our garlic and ginger. Alright, this is to infuse that flavor, to bring out the flavor in the sauce. Alright, we're not going to burn it. We just want some of this ginger in there. And then we're going to add our sauce. As you can see, the sugar is settled to the bottom. Get as much as you can out of it. And we're going to mix it. And let it simmer until you get the proper texture or consistency, the thickness of however you prefer. But I want mine a little bit on a thick side, so this is how we do it. Alright, we'll get back to you in just a few seconds. Alright, now we're going to fry up the spam in a hot sizzling pan. Alright, there we go. And let it brown till it's done. Again, just brown it just for a few minutes on both sides while it's cooked, and then we're gonna put it in another process, which I'll tell you in just a second. Alright, we're just gonna check up on our spam, see how it's doing. Alright, well, it has a nice color browning there. Just remember, the spam is already cooked. We're just frying up the outside and making it a little bit crispy. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this side is cooked. It looks like it is. Alright, now we're going to take it out and put it in a plate. Okay. And we're going to check up on our teriyaki sauce. It looks like it thickened quite a bit. I'm going to remove the ginger and the garlic as much as we could. We don't want to bite into that. Alright. And now, add a little bit of the roasted sesame seed. Alright, mix it in. So it looks like a store-bought teriyaki sauce, but this is just for special effect, and it gives you that little roasted sesame seed taste on the Spam. Now we're gonna dip it really quick. All right. Flip it over. All right. Plate it. Put the other one in. You want as much flavor as possible in the Spam. All right. Let it cook some more, just a tad, and it's good to go. All right, now we're gonna go to our assembly line. All right, we're gonna take the wrap, the sushi wrap, and show you the sunny side up goes on the outside, and the dollar one goes on the inside, just to make it look nice. And we're gonna place the mold in the middle of the nori and put your rice in there. Okay, spread it around. And then we're gonna press it. All right, there we go. All right. And then we're gonna put the main star of the dish, Spam. All right, here we go. All right. Now we're gonna add more rice. So this is basically like a sandwich. Some people just prefer the Spam on top, but this actually holds a little bit better. And we're gonna press it some more. Get as much air as possible, get them all out. All right. And then we're gonna hold it down and lift the mold. And then there you go. It's almost there, folks. Now we're gonna wrap it. Okay. Just like that. Fold the corner. And then take a little bit of water, run it along the edge. Okay, this will seal the nori so they won't fall apart. Okay, and because your rice is a little bit warm, it should form a seal. And there we go. There it is, folks. Alright, guess what? It's time to eat. And there's our musubi, folks. I'm going to give it a good bite. Wow. Very good. I have another one. That is, takes me back home. But again, this is an easy recipe. Anybody can do this. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Hope you hit that button. Be my subscriber. Join us. Alright, until the next video. I'll see you later.